Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Katie, and today I am just so happy to be back. My AC was out for almost a week. I hate being hot. I hate the heat. I would come home and immediately just go to bed just because I just can't stand it. Even though it's fall, it was like 80 degrees in North Carolina, so the house was significantly hot. If I tried to put on makeup, I know it would just like immediately run down because North Carolina doesn't have like nice heat. It has like that wet, humid, muggy heat that just makes life unbearable. More than it already is. I'm happy to be back. I have like so many video ideas and so much stuff happening. Like, I know by the time this comes out, it's gonna be October. It's spooky season, and I just want to play catch up. So I'm gonna be putting out a lot of videos because I did have a lot of things planned, and my AC kind of said no, not today. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing some Halloween looks and everything. I missed you guys so much. I missed being in front of the camera. I missed playing with my makeup and stuff, so I'm very excited, especially for this. I don't know why there's always stuff flying around me. Oh, by the way, I'm not gonna apologize for the way my hair looks. Doing makeup with my hair up is just so much more comfortable. So, makeup first, then hair. So, bear with me so you can see the end result. I'm very excited. I was waiting so long to make this, and I was especially upset that my AC took so long because I really wanted to film this. If you don't know who Rico Nasty is, you're living under a rock, and I feel very sorry for you. Not because you live under a rock, but because you don't listen to Rico Nasty. Rico Nasty came out with her first like makeup collaboration, and I got the whole set before it sold out, luckily. And I was going back and forth on purchasing it, but she is just like, I don't know, she's just so different and like weird and like sexy and cute, and like, I don't know, she just, this energy about her is just like so badass, which is what I strive to be. I was like, I'm gonna go support my girl even though she has no idea who I am. And I ended up copying the, like I said, the whole set. So as soon as I opened the package, I was just really excited about the neon bag. My favorite color is green, so if I were to get something neon, it would be this. Plus, like, I think the collection is like called neon something, but the colors are beautiful. So did you open it? She did have this little cute thingy with her little signature, which does make it feel a little bit more personal, and made me happy, so I kept it for this video because I did go through this because I just couldn't wait. I was gonna open everything up on camera, but I couldn't. I like sat in front of a big ass fan and just let it blow in my face while I opened everything up. In the collection, there are 2 long eyewear pencils. Oh wait, before I show you the pencils, like this packaging, I don't know what it is, but it just made me very excited. I think it's so cute. It's like bright neon, has Rico Nasty, featuring Rico Nasty on it, and I just thought it was so cute that like it's stuck with like the theme of the bag and stuff. But yeah, it comes with 2 long wear eye pencils and a shade and blend eyeshadow brush, which actually I needed. So the long eyewear pencils, you can never have enough eyeliner, and I actually needed, oh gosh, sorry. I actually needed new white eyeliner, so this was perfect. Power S, and it's cute. Is this sharpenable? I think it is a sharpened pencil. It's called Hellcat. So I'm gonna swatch it on my palm. No, that's not my palm. My fist my front part of skin on my hand. Ooh, that feels super creamy. And I'm like barely touching it, and it's not really wiping off, which is cool. With one swipe, and I barely pressed it down. Okay, love it. I love using white eyeliner to make my eyes like look big and doll-like. For the second long wear eye pencil, it's called Lambo. It's black. Trying to like bear with me. I'm also new at this. Oh, like I barely pushed down on that. So grabbing on it. Oh wow, I'm obsessed. Because I love using pencils to line my eyes, and okay, I'm excited. I'm trying to hurry up and get through this because I'm also gonna do my makeup for you guys. This is the Shade and Blend eyeshadow brush. Has a little, ooh yes. Has a little featuring Rico Nasty. Ooh, it's so soft. So I'll definitely use this brush in the video too. I'm gonna get into the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go with the bigger palette first. And it's a pressed pigment palette. This is called Lo-Fi, and it comes in the same type of like neon green packaging, which is super cute. But guys, okay. I don't know what it is about this packaging, but I really love how it came in. It's like plastic, and it has this. I just loved the way it opened because it reminds me of like, I don't know, like a phone, like a Sidekick or something. Like, I just thought it was so cute, and it's because of this. Like, ooh, ooh, honey. Okay, I don't know why it's screaming. I just talked you up, and look. Okay, so it seems like just when I close it. Alright, I'm gonna stop because I know that's probably really annoying for you to hear. It's coming from this side. Sorry, that's gonna bug me. Of course. Happens. Okay, now I'm pretty sure there are other swatch videos you can watch, but I really just want to kind of speed up this video and get right to trying out the product. I mean, the colors are beautiful besides this annoying freaking squeak. Low-key kind of upset about that. I don't know why, but I spent $100, so. Okay, so this one I was really excited about because you guys know I love to do colorful makeup looks. Let's hope this one doesn't squeak. This one is called Neon Rage. It's also a pressed pigment palette, and let's see. I wish the other one didn't squeak, but I just love how you can hold on to this, and that's the only part that opens up, you know, does that make sense? Like, I love that. It's cool to me. Okay. These baby hairs make me look like I have little like devil horns. Oh my god, that's perfect. Apparently that's what a devil sounds like. Anyways, let's ignore that happened. Yeah, I was really excited about this one in particular because, like I said, I love doing colorful makeup looks. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. Obsessed with every single one of them. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I'm definitely going to be using this. I'm only going to be using these two palettes to create a look, and I wanted to create something kind of crazy. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with a transition shade. I also love the browns that come in this palette. There we go. This whole bottom row. I need more browns. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna start off with the transition color. I'm gonna take this part of the brush. I'm using the shade Clone, I believe. Yes. Clone. And now I'm gonna take the shade M&M and put it like where my highlight would go. It's a lighter, like creamish brown. And now I'm gonna take Jet Lag and just deepen my crease a little bit. So I'm just putting it in the outer corner of my eye just to darken it. I think I want to use this like super cute kind of turquoise tealish color. It's called I believe. Oh my god, that squeaks, sorry. I'm just gonna continue to use this brush. I like that color a lot. Like I can see myself using oh god, besides the squeak, this larger palette for like everyday looks. It's neutral but also has like great pops of color. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the cut crease. I'm gonna use like a flat tapered brush, I believe that's the word, and I'm gonna get my eye primer again and just putting some on like my little palette. So I can dip into it. Like I got the palette stuff, like the little hold stuff, and it's changed my life, honestly. I thought it was ridiculous, but it's changed my life, like I said. Okay, so for this part, we're gonna be very quiet and concentrate. I'm gonna look down very softly, start little by little because you can't go back. A purple and put it in the inner part, and I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna use Twisted. Okay, I like that. And so I left a little bit of the cut crease visible because I'm also gonna go in with the darker purple from the Neon Rage palette. STFU. And I'm just gonna swipe back and forth to kind of blend that out. A little bit of my eye primer on my brush again. And like go in the inside part. I'm gonna do Revenge from the Neon Rage palette. Super pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna take the orange, which is Paddock, which I just found out was a type of watch because I didn't cover all of the what's it called, eye primer. I left a little bit visible, and that's because I had to kind of do these two colors. I'm just trying to use as many colors as possible, to be honest, because they're so pretty. I'm gonna go back to the other big one, and I'm gonna take, what was it? Take and I'm gonna smoke this out. I'm gonna take Clone again, and a little bit of Jet Lag on the same brush at the same time. Smoke it. So while I'm here, I'll tell you a little bit about like my favorite songs of Rico's. Personally, my #1 favorite is Sandy, Smack a Bitch, which I feel like a lot of people know about. Oh, and Ice Cream. I like that song as well. Love that. And I'm gonna go back into that like tealish turquoise color that I put on the outer part of my eye, and I'm gonna smoke that out as well. pigment. Okay, now I'm gonna line my lower lash line, and I'm gonna go in with black, which is called, I think, Lambo. Yes. From the same collection, of course. Oh my god, the way that glides on. That black, like, applied so easily and beautifully. I've always had a hard time finding a good black eyeliner because my eyes are so watery. And then I'm just gonna do a winged liner, finish my eyebrows, do my mascara, add a little bit of color down here, then I'll be back. Hey guys, so I finished one eye. Now I am going to finish this one and do my face, and I'll be right back. Again, I didn't think this through. It's fine. Alright everyone, this is the finished look. I just smoked out my wing a little bit. I feel very pretty and like fierce. Only thing I would say is, like, I'm pretty sure you can find some similar palettes that are less expensive, especially for the more neutral kind, because I mean, besides this like gorgeous like tealish color, I probably already have at least most of these, you know what I mean? So I feel like they're easy shades to find. No shade to Rico Nasty, I love her. But I believe like this palette is like $55 and this one's $50 or something like that. Somewhere around there. I'll put the price up on the screen. Besides that, they're very beautiful, very beautiful palettes. I did want to try this out, make a video about it, and I'm glad I did. I love Rico Nasty, so even though I don't like highly suggest you going out and spending money on these, if you do want to support like the people that you love, because well, people that you love that don't know you, but you know, I know that she probably, her and her team put a lot of work into the you know, these palettes, this collection. So it's just really, I know it's really nice to just see someone appreciate your hard work. So to support her 1000%, yes, love her. The palettes are very cute. I know I'm going to be using these a lot. You're going to see them in more videos, you know, after this. So it's not like I'm not going to use them. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had fun with me. I had fun with you. And let me know down in the comments below if you love Rico Nasty, what songs you love by her. I know I love her new song, Own It. Not only because it's an amazing song, but the aesthetic of the music video. Like, I wish to one day like do extremely creative stuff like that. Like, it's so amazing. Also, I just remembered Girl Crush and what's the other one? Oh, Ringtone are two like other songs by her. Well, they're featuring her, but they're great, amazing songs. Like Ringtone and Girl Crush, if you're into kind of how do you say, like house music, I would definitely recommend checking those out. They're really good. Bruh, I forgot to put mascara on this eye. Did I really forget to do mascara? Yeah, and on my lower lashes. Let's just ignore that. Love you, and I'll see you on next week's video. Bye.